Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Many relationship struggles are not only stored in the mind, they are also stored in the body. Unspoken emotions, heartbreak, resentment, disappointment, fear of abandonment, rejection, and emotional pain can remain trapped within our nervous system for years. Breath work is a powerful tool that helps release emotional tension, calm the mind, and create space for healing. When the breath changes, the emotional state begins to change. How emotions get stored in the body? Have you ever noticed that during relationship stress, you may experience tightness in the chest, a lump in the throat, heavy breathing, anxiety in the stomach, restlessness, difficulty in sleeping? These are not just physical sensations. They are often emotional energy expressing itself through the body. Many emotions that are not expressed become suppressed. Breathing helps create a safe pathway for those emotions to move and release. So, dear friends, why breath work helps relationship healing? Conscious breathing can help reduce overthinking, calm emotional panic, release anger and resentment, reduce relationship anxiety, improve emotional awareness, bring clarity during conflict, create inner peace. Before healing a relationship with another person, it is often helpful to calm the relationship with your own emotions. Simple relationship healing breathwork practices, dear friends, you all can follow. Step 1, find a quiet place, sit comfortably, keep your spine relaxed and straight. Close your eyes gently. Step 2, connect with your breath. Take a slow deep breath in through the nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now slowly exhale through the mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat for a few minutes. As you breathe out, imagine releasing stress, emotional pain, resentment, and overthinking. Step 3, Heart centered breathing. Place both hands over your heart. Imagine breathing directly into your heart space. With each inhale, I receive peace. With each exhale, I release emotional pain. Continue this for 5 minutes. Now, step 4, emotional release breathing. Think about a relationship that needs healing. Do not focus on blame. Simply acknowledge the emotions present. Now, breathe deeply and silently say, Inhale, I allow myself to feel. Exhale, I allow myself to heal. Allow any emotions to arise without judgment. Tears, sadness, relief, or calmness may all be part of the process. Some relationship healing breath affirmations. As you breathe slowly, repeat, I release emotional heaviness. I choose peace over conflict. My heart is safe. I let go of resentment. Love and healing flow through me. I am open to emotional freedom. Now, breath work for couples. Partners can practice together. Sit facing each other. Take slow breaths in sync for a few minutes. No need to speak. Simply breathe and be present. This simple practice can reduce tension, improve connection, create emotional safety, and strengthen intimacy. Sometimes healing begins not through words but through presence. Daily 5-minute relationship healing breath practices for the next 21 days. In the morning, take 10 slow healing breaths and set the intention. Today, I choose love, patience, and understanding. In the evening, take 10 slow breaths and release. I let go of today's emotional stress. This daily practice helps prevent emotional buildup. A final message to all my dear friends. Every breath is an opportunity to begin again. Every inhale brings fresh energy. Every exhale creates space for release. Relationship healing does not always start with changing another person. Sometimes it begins with one conscious breath, one moment of awareness, one decision to release what your heart has been carrying. Because when the breath becomes calm, the mind becomes clear. And when the mind becomes clear, the heart can finally begin to heal. Dear friends, hope you like this video. Some healing breath mantra you can practice, like inhale love, exhale pain, inhale peace, exhale fear, inhale healing, exhale the past. So remember this healing breath mantra and do practice it daily. Till then, signing off, Dr. Swati. See you in my next video.